guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. Today I'm making you another tasty dish that I know all of you will love. Let's jump straight into it. Sigla. Today I'll be making you trofia with sausage, pancetta and beer. Trofia is a type of pasta, if you didn't know, and it looks sort of like this, kind of skinny. Anyway, the ingredients are 800 grams of fresh Italian sausage, 300 grams of trofia pasta, 160 milliliters of cream, single or double, 130 grams of pancetta, 1.5 or 2 glasses of lager beer. Before we start, I want to remind you that these ingredients are for 4 people, so basically me and my family. As you can see here, we have a nice Italian sausage with cracked black pepper. All we need to do is cut it, so I'm just going to cut a little and get the skin off, chop them and into the pan to saute. So I'm just going to get the skin off right now. So let me show you how I remove the skin. I just cut down the side, then down the middle, and just gently remove. Now this is one method of doing this. The other method is by cutting one side and squeezing the meat out, but obviously it's going to be a bit more messier. Now this is pancetta. As you can see here, I already moved the excess fat and just then left a little. So as you can see here. Now we don't need olive oil to saute them because the fats already create their own oil. So the way we're going to cut them is let the knife do the work. So this is what we're going to try and cut them into. This smells fantastic, by the way. When it comes to these, I advise you to buy like the top ingredients because this smells fantastic. Now I turned on the fire for the water and I also turned on the fire for the sausage. So now we can get our pancetta and saute them together. That's the sound that you want to hear. Listen to that. Now as you can see here, this is the oil coming from the fat, which is why you don't want to put any olive oil. Also, you don't want to add salt in it because the pancetta already has enough salt to taste, and same as pepper. The sausage is with black pepper, so you don't need to add salt or pepper to this. But I mean, this smells amazing. Let's be honest. If you were here, you would, I don't know, because this is too much for me. This smells amazing. Water's boiling. Let's add in our salt. I'm not going to add as much as I normally do, but that should be good. As you can see here, the sausage and the pancetta is browning, so this is a good time to add in our beer. When the beer is reduced by half, we can then add the cream. Well, now we just keep this. As you can see here, the beer has reduced, so now it's a good time to add in the single cream. Now the beer gives it good flavour, nice flavour, but the beer does evaporate, so this is suitable for kids, and trust me, they'll love it. I mean, I love it, My brother loves it. The sauce is done, the pasta's done. I'm gonna add this in here. I have the fire to the lowest. Give it. If you want to make like a thicker sort of cream, I have here like pasta water. I'm just gonna add a little bit. It's enough. Guys, look at this. The cream is starting to get creamier. Let's start plating and tasting, because this is going to be fantastic. I know for sure, that's for sure. There you go. By the way, this does not need Parmesan cheese because it's salty enough, but I mean, look at that sight. It looks beautiful. Now for the taste test, this is my favourite part. Obviously, you don't need Parmesan cheese, it's salty enough. And now if you want, you can have fresh parsley in it, but at the moment I don't need it because I like it as it is. Let's dive right into it. Oh my god, this is 10 out of 10. You could taste the pancetta, the sausage, the beer. Not that I know how beer tastes, but you can really taste that. Oh, everything together is fantastic. This, you should try it. But I need to end the video here. I hope you all love this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Alla prossima. Ciao.